That's a little girl.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katrina. I make motherhood, lifestyle, crossover videos, and decluttering videos. Today, I have a ton of laundry that I have to do. So I'm going to sit down and talk to you while I do this laundry about 10 tips to keep your home organized. So I'm going to start this off by saying, comment one of your favorite tips that you use to keep your own home organized so that everybody here can take a look at that and get inspiration, because I love having a community of inspiration and everybody helping each other out. These 10 tips are things that I try to do on a very regular basis. Some things I recently realized I need to work on, but they are what I try to use pretty much on a daily basis to keep our home organized, to keep it functioning, because I'm going quite fast every single day. I'm doing a lot of things and I'm running after a toddler. So these are what I try to do just to keep everything managed. So tip number one, I'm actually going to show you what I'm talking about. Tip number one is, when you're folding your laundry, fold it so you can see it in the drawers, so that you know exactly what you have, where it is. I have a pair of Elise's PJs here. I'm not going to show you exactly how I fold them right here. I'm going to be doing a reel on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, go follow me there. And I'm going to be doing a reel that has to do with folding laundry and how I fold Elise's PJs. But when I'm talking about folding the laundry so that you can see it, my main thing is that I want it to stand up, kind of like a filing cabinet. You kind of want everything to be filed. These are Elise's PJs. This is a two-piece set PJs, but it can stand up. So I ended up having them all stood up in her drawer, and I actually have drawer organizers for her because her clothes are still a lot smaller than my own. They kind of need some structure and help to stay standing. I plop all of these in so that I can see every single pair of PJs, every single shirt, pants, shorts, you name it, socks too. And then I know exactly where all of her clothes are. I know what I want her to wear. I know what to put together. When you're in a rush, it's super helpful to just be able to see them. So tip number two is to have dedicated homes. Everything in your home needs to have a home. When everything has a home, it's really easy to, one, find what you need without having to go searching for it, and two, you know exactly where to put it back, and you don't have to be like, oh, I'll just leave it. Make it so that the home is easily accessible so that you don't get lazy and just put it on a surface. It is super crucial to me to make sure to have homes for my camera equipment, my clothes. I mean, obviously I have dedicated home for clothes, products, hair products, kitchen cleaners, books, everything to have a home. And then I know, hey, if I want to read a certain book, I know exactly where all the books are, and I've even got them organized so that I know which category of books. So it makes it really easy to go just pick out the book. I hope that kind of makes sense. Tip number three, I learned actually from Milena Ciciottie. She's a really wonderful content creator on YouTube and Instagram. She's also a fellow Christian. One thing that I really learned from her in her home was that she closes her kitchen down. I took this one step further, and now not only do we close down the kitchen every night, but we also try and close down the house every night and set it up so that when I wake up in the morning, when Nick wakes up in the morning, when Elise wakes up in the morning, and we're in the rush and craziness of everybody getting up and doing stuff and getting ready for the day, that the house is clean, and the stress of needing to pick things up before Elise gets out of her room or anything like that, that isn't there. When I go to make breakfast in the morning, the dishes are done. So when I say close down the kitchen, close down your home, I mean clean it at the end of the night, put everything away, do the dishes, tidy up those toys, even better, tidy them up with your children before they go to bed so that they get included in that routine, and that really sets the next day up for success. Tip number four, make your bed. As simple as that. Make your bed every single day. And I know that it can be tough in the mornings, especially if you're a parent that is a working parent and you're trying to get everybody out of the house on time, or your kids go to school, or whatever it is. But I encourage you to make your bed in the morning. That's ideal, but at least make your bed at some point during the day. It's an easy thing to check off your list. Tip number 5, keep surfaces clear. Keeping surfaces clear really helps see the cleanness of the home. I encourage you, if you can keep those decluttered, if you can keep those from getting tons of stuff on them and just having the bare minimums, that will really help your entire home feel tidy and clean, and you'll also be able to see the dust on them and easy to dust them too. Tip number 6 is to have only one laundry basket. This is a difficult task, believe me. We technically have 2 laundry baskets, but I only ever use one, and the other one is for emergencies only. Keeping only one laundry basket means you're going to actually fold the laundry because you're going to run out of room for the clean laundry. You can't just keep filling all the baskets full of clean laundry. One laundry basket, this is the room that you have, and that keeps everything moving at a steady pace. Honestly, I can add in there, do a load of laundry per day rather than do a bunch of laundry on the weekend, and then you won't get overwhelmed. Sit down at the end of the night after everybody goes to bed, fold laundry while watching your favorite show, make it a part of the routine, and then you won't have to get caught up on laundry. You won't have to get caught up on folding. Number 7, this is for people that have kids, teenagers. Doesn't matter what age your kids are unless they're like literally a newborn. Include your children in the cleaning process, in the tidying up process. If you continue helping them be included and feel like it's a whole family thing, we all get together, we all fold our laundry, we all clean the surfaces, we all tidy up our toys, whatever those toys may be, rattles to computer stuff. It will take a huge load off of you as parents, as well as teach your children to do it themselves, so you have less to constantly be picking up. Elise really loves cleaning, and she is still learning how to tidy and everything, and just going at her pace but also challenging her at the same time. Number 8, keep minimal towels and linens in your home. When I say minimal, I mean minimal. We decluttered our linen / towel closet, and now we have 6 full-size towels, bath towels, and we have 2 utility towels. Utility towels are super helpful if you have kids. Number 9 is meal planning, and hear me out on this one. If you meal plan, you won't have an excess amount of food. There will not be lost going bad items in the back of your fridge. And when you're meal planning, you're going to take into account what you already have and try to use that up, which keeps the kitchen and the fridge and the pantry really organized, and it also saves money. If you haven't seen my meal planning video, I'll link that down below. Also, Milena Ciciottie, I use her templates and they are absolutely amazing. Just about folded only a single sock. And last but very much not least, number 10, only keep products that you are currently using. This is something that I am actually going to go do pretty soon, is to go in and just do a deeper decluttering of under our sinks. But this goes for more than just under the sink products. This goes for under the kitchen sink. This goes for all of your cleaners, deodorizers, face products, hair products, body products, makeup, anything like that. Only keep what you're using. I can pretty much guarantee you're not going to use up that quarter bottle of face wash that's sitting in the very back of your under sink storage that you've been keeping for a year. Keep only what you use. Okay, I think that is all of the tips I have for you today. I hope that they helped you. These are tips that I literally use every single day so that our house stays nice and tidy and clean as much as possible on a daily basis. Yes, you're gonna have days where you do not clean the dishes before bedtime, or you need to get caught up on laundry. It happens to us all, but trying to implement these things on a regular basis will really help keep your home decluttered so that you're not having to re-declutter your home all the time, and you can just start every single day fresh, new, which believe me, really de-stresses you when you open your eyes in the morning. If you liked these tips, please do not hesitate to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Of course, my battery died just as I was about to say goodbye. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if this was helpful down below, and I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram to see how I fold Elise's PJs, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!